in my opinion, this project, okay, this mining app is the only mining app project I think has a lot of partnership. Why? Because this OG community itself, they are miners. They also mine airdrops. Okay, they are also into this crypto world. They join other projects to also make money out of cryptocurrency. Yes. So if you check their app, you will see a lot of partnership with other mining projects like MemeFi, like Hexacoin, a lot of it. You understand? That means this community knows a lot concerning this cryptocurrency market or this cryptocurrency world. So we want to join this project and be part of the success. All right. So this project has been there for a while now. Yes. But I think it is not too late for you to jump on it and also to be getting some OGC tokens, right? So the first time I joined this OGC community is when they were having partnership with the Notcoin community. Notcoin actually introduced me to OGC community. And since Notcoin has made something great, then OGC community is going to make something great. And they are having a lot of partners, as I've mentioned lately. All right. They have been marketed on most of this mining and Telegram bot apps. Okay. So we need to jump on this. But before we jump on this, let me show you the tokenomics of this community or this network or project. Yes. So scroll down to I'll leave the link at the description down below of the about page. That is where you're going to see the tokenomics. All right, so just click on the link and you'll be redirected to this wonderful page. But before that, please like this video if you enjoyed it. If you want more airdrops, more crypto news or update, just subscribe so that whenever I make a video and upload, you'll be notified. And also join my Telegram channel as I give back-to-back update over there. So there are some apps I cannot make videos about because I don't really trust them, because maybe they are new. You understand? I just put it there for some time. So whilst I gather some evidence about how great that app is going to be or that project is going to be, then I make videos about. So you can be one of the early joiners of that particular project, right? So now scroll down. All right. So this is the tokenomics of the OGC community. So they have 1 billion of their OGC. What that is their total supply of the OGC token, and they are going to give all this 1 billion to the community. That is a very huge one. So I think they have a plan on how they are going to deliver it. So now when you check down below, you can see halving. Okay, so each 100 million OGC or 6 months. So that means every halving they are going to share 100 million of the OGC token, or every 6 months, which is the half of the year, they are going to share 100 million OGC. So we started this getting to 4 to 5 months now. Yes, so this particular will end and next will come. Okay, another 100 million will be shared just like that. So when you join it now, you have the chance of joining or getting access to other airdrop that they do. You understand? So this is basically, and this was built on the Ethereum blockchain, and you know Ethereum is massive. So now we need to go and join. But before I join, let's go to their Twitter account. When you check their Twitter account, you can see they have 229k followers. Okay, but when you check this side, okay, they are followed by Cookie community. Cookie is also a project, an airdrop project, which is like a social file, and it's like a market file, okay, project. You understand? Market file and social file project. So, and this is the over protocol update, okay, and meme file, okay, then pixel. So this meme file and pixel and the cookie is what I know. Over protocol, I think they give updates concerning over protocol, and over protocol has really messed Africans up. Okay, after joining this project, it's a lot. Okay, we are not qualified as Ghanaians and Nigeria, so we just have to move ahead and just find good project like AGC to join. Sorry. So when you scroll down, you can see the partnership they have made. So this is Ago, okay, and they are having an armor. This is Hexacore, Okay, then they have a lot of projects. Okay, a lot of, they are having yes, a zeal quest, okay, for the Web3 Epic Challenge. All right, so we are going to check that as well. But before that, let's learn how to join and how to gather some OGC tokens. So let's quickly go to the Telegram app. So this is it. All right, so apart from the Telegram app, you can also mine it in the browser and also with that mobile app. So when you click on the link at the description down below, you'll be brought to this particular page. Okay, you just have to click on start, and I'll also leave the link in my Telegram channel, so please join that channel. All right, so if you don't want to miss greater update and news, just join that channel. You get it? So that is it. So now I have joined. All I have to do is just click on open app, then click on start. All right, so this is how the app looks like. Okay, so now at this section, this top here is the balance I have. All right, and I am able to grab 0.7 OGC every 24 hours. Okay, so this is the timer left, so I have to wait for 8 hours 9 minutes and 22 seconds, okay, to claim my next OGC tokens. You understand? So that's basically what to do. All right, so now you have to be click on this. That is where you are going to see this thing that we are doing over here. You understand? Yes. So if you are not in this section, you are not going to see this. You understand? Okay, so close that. Let's click the first one that we can see over here, which is this one. Just click on that. All right, so that is where you are going to see your total OGC tokens you have gathered, and also the total tokens you've gotten per every day grab that you do, or the daily claim that you do. So I've also joined their partnered apps, and I've gotten 195 OGC token, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. And this is their total supply. This is the total we have grabbed. Okay, and the next halving is this. You understand? So we have grabbed almost 600 million, which is the first, okay, which is the first sign that we are about to end this first phase, and the second phase is about to get started, and we are going to also claim 600 million of the token. So please join and don't miss this as well. All right, so now the next one is the invitation section, or the referral section. That is where you can invite people to be part of your project. So when you invite people, grab more to OGC tokens by inviting your active friends. When you invite friends, you are going to earn some OGC token. So whilst your friend is active, you are going to get 10% of their OGC. That doesn't mean their token is going to be deducted. No, they are going to gift you for keeping an active friend. That's basically. So after that, just click on this. Okay, let me show you this one. That is where we are going to earn some tokens through their partnered apps. Okay, so we are going to join their partnered apps or their partnered project. Then when you join them, they are going to give us the OGC tokens. And people think it's a referral link, and that's not a problem, because they have to also fund their project. So if they are using referral system to, to fund their project so that they can make us big, why not, Charlie? Just jump on it. So I'm just going to click on that. All right, so this is it. So I have done a couple of them. So first page, second page, third page. When I go to the third page, that's exactly where it all started. The second page, okay, and the first page, right? So you can see they now have the Sakra MVP, the Zach Gate, and the terminal. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just click on the first one, and let me read about the condition. So do you want to feel hardcore? Sakura released their MVP one, meet the first ever DeFi RPG where your skills let you earn reward in Sakra. So that is the token Sakra. You can read about the need help to read about how to go about it. So you just have to read about that. So you need an FTN to pay for. Okay, so that means you need to pay. So that means if you need to pay, then you don't have to do it. Okay, we want free money. You understand? You go to the next project. All right, so this is the project. Say play Zack Gate every day and get up to 40 OGC. So this is a game that you're going to play, and you're going to get up to 40 OGC. You understand? Okay, back. Then the next one is terminal. So it says zero per day. So you have to, let's check the guidance over there. So the terminal is a smart game in which user through whatever next. So point and airdrop for each correctly guessed where the player receive points. All right, so next. So in addition to airdrop, so this is basically also a project. I'll check it out, and if I see it's great, I am going to make a video about it. So basically that's what you do. Okay, after that you just have to check it, and if it's working fine, when you check and it's successful, you are going to be rewarded with the OGC. But other things like the meme file, they are very simple. You just click on it, you'll be taken to Telegram bot. You just click claim, and you are going to get your this thing, your token, and that's so simple. So you have some projects which are more easy here. Okay, so that is it. You can check them out. Apart from that, to this OGC community also gives news and update. Okay, so they can, you just have to click here, the last one, and you can get news and update of the crypto world. All right, they sometimes also give you airdrops. Okay, project over here. So when I scroll down, you can see there are a lot. Web3 lending, money from thin air, and this is the Bloxer new project with airdrop. Okay, so this is Boxer. So I'll be checking some of these out and make a video on them, and you can see the GM network get airdrop by completing simple tasks. All right. Okay, so daily farming without investment, you understand. So that is it. So you can be checking some of these things out from the app platform. All right, please don't hit off or don't quit this video, because I have something very important to show you. All right, so please like this video if you're enjoying it. If you have any questions, suggestions, just leave it at the comment section. If you want more airdrops, more crypto update and news, just subscribe. Okay, and also join my Telegram channel. Okay, you can just click on the hot news over here, this one. Right, just click on that. Okay, and you'll be taken to this section automatically. Right, so back again and click on this thing that you oversee here. So that is the first letter of my name. Yours might be different, so that is it. So just click on that. That is your profile. All right, so you have to connect your wallet. So I'll make a special video on how to connect your wallet. You understand, it's very important how to do stuff over here. So if you want me to create a video very soon, just leave it at the comment section. So I'm going to click on add your wallet, and let's see the option that pops up. So either Ethereum wallet, Ton wallet, Solana wallet, near Tron, Polkadot, and also Cosmos. So the kind of wallet you want me to create or to connect with this, just let me know so that I can help you out. Whether you want Ethereum, whether you want Ton wallet or Solana, if you want me to connect any of this, you just have to let me know at the comment section. All right, you can also link your social account. All right, so that is it. I've linked my Telegram, my Twitter, and also my Discord, so you have to be linking them as well. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your like. Okay, it gives me encouragement that you like crypto content, so I should keep on creating crypto content. But apart from that, I also create videos about hacking styles, email marketing, bulk email sending, making passive money online. So if you want other content to, just subscribe. Let's meet next time. Goodbye.